There you go. Right there. There's Donnie. Are you recording?
I need to be like everybody else. This is so good.
Baby.
I'll go. Can I try here to get a couple pictures? I know. I'm holding whatever you're wanting to hold.
You guys can take all of these off my page.
Do you hear him?
Yeah, I know. Oh my God, you got good shots, dude.
Oh, look at that shot.
Yeah, that's the furthest. She's like, zoom in more. Take a bunch.
That's what I'm doing.
Edit later.
Okay, where are you
Donnie
guys?
on BlackBerry. I think so.
Seriously?
My screen name is Danny Fan, then now always.
What is it?
What? Danny Fan, then now always.